In this program, we will find the number entered in the program is odd or even. So first of all, we write the header file. Standard input output for scanf and printf. Conio.h console input output for clear screen and getch. Then we write the main function from where the execution starts. Then we declare the variable used in the program. I take the variable n of integer type. Then I write clear screen function which clears the previous output. In the end I write getch which holds the output screen. Then I take input. For that I write the statement enter any number. To scan we use the function scanf. %d format specifier for integer, then ampersand to allocate memory, then I write the variable name n. Now we are taking input in the variable n. First of all, to check the odd and even, the numbers should be non-zero. To check this, I write the condition if n is not equal to 0, then only we will check for odd even. Else, if the number is 0, then we should print the statement number is 0. This is the outer condition. If the first condition is true, then only we will check the another condition of odd even. For that I write n mod by 2 is equal to 0. Modulus operator is denoted by this percentage sign which gives the remainder. If any number is mod by 2, it gives the remainder which should be 0. If it is 0, then the number is even. Then we should write the printf statement number is even. Else the number is odd. So we write number is odd. Let's check the output of this program. Enter any number. If I press 0, then it shows the number is 0. Again I run the program. If I press 6, then it shows number is even. And if I press 5, it shows number is odd. And if I press negative integer -2, then again it shows number is even. So it is working fine. In this way you can create your own odd and even program. You can watch more lectures. For that, subscribe our channel Madhvam Tutorials.